Contact, armored infantry advancing. Taking the shot now.
Over the years, the M4 carbine and the M249 SAW served the U.S. Army faithfully, providing soldiers with powerful and reliable weapons on the battlefield. But as technology advanced, so did the need for something more advanced. In 2017, the U.S. Army recognized this need and launched the Next Generation Squad Weapon Program, an ambitious initiative aimed at developing a revolutionary new rifle and machine gun. This program was designed to replace the aging arsenal, incorporating cutting-edge technologies to enhance range, firepower, and accuracy. The goal? To give soldiers the ultimate edge in modern warfare. Thus, the NGSW program was born, ushering in the future of military weaponry for the U.S. Army. In 2019, SIG Sauer introduced its groundbreaking design, the MCX Spear, a rifle built for the future. With its rugged construction and adaptive modular design, it promised versatility and power like never before. Every aspect of the MCXS PEAR was engineered for peak performance. Its precision-built parts, from the barrel to the trigger, ensure reliable firepower in any condition. Together, the MCXS PEAR and its revolutionary ammunition redefine the modern combat rifle, setting a new standard in military weaponry. In January 2023, the U.S. Army made a significant update to its NGSW program, transitioning from the XM5 designation to the XM7. A subtle shift, but one with an important meaning. The name change reflects a shift in the rifle's design and operational purpose, moving towards a more specialized, modular weapon system that integrates advanced technology for modern combat.
While the XM5 was the prototype, the XM7 is the refined and finalized model representing the cutting edge of the Army's next-generation squad weapon.
Suppressing fire. Move up! Contact, right! I'm moving! Cover me!
Checks out, armor. Feed smooth.
Confirmed. Go ahead and sign right here for the serialized components.
New issue, serial 992. Inspect.
Roger. Staff Sergeant. Weapon clear.
Outfitted with the XM7, these soldiers were now equipped with the most advanced weapon system ever developed for ground combat. Designed for superior accuracy, power, and reliability. On the battlefield, the XM7 showcased its capabilities. Powerful, versatile, and ready for any challenge, giving the 101 Airborne a critical advantage. This first fielding marks a pivotal moment for the U.S. Army as the NGSWR enters active service, revolutionizing the infantry's approach to modern warfare. In a historic move, the U.S. Army awarded SIG Sauer a contract valued at approximately $4.5 billion, covering rifles, automatic rifles, ammunition, and more as part of the NGSW program.
For the initial production and testing phase, the Army placed an order worth $20.4 million, securing early rifles, ammunition. In FY 2025, the Army increased the acquisition budget for the M7 and M250 systems to $367.3 million. With this substantial budget increase, the Army plans to acquire approximately 39,836 units in FY 2025, ensuring SIG Sauer's partnership with the U.S. Army reflects a significant investment in the future of military technology, bringing cutting-edge weaponry to the front lines. The primary purpose of the next-generation squad weapon is to replace the aging M4 carbine and M249 SAW, providing close combat squad. This new weapon is designed to give soldiers a significant increase in effective range, allowing them to engage targets at much greater distances than before. With enhanced ammunition, the NGSWR offers superior penetration against modern body armor, ensuring soldiers can defeat enemy defenses with greater ease. The rifle's advanced design and powerful ammunition provide higher lethality, increasing the soldier's ability to neutralize threats more effectively in combat. Specifically designed for close combat forces, infantry, scouts, engineers, and medics in direct combat roles, this weapon is built to support.
Compared to the M4's 5.56mm NATO, the M7 uses a larger 6.8 by 51mm caliber, offering higher velocity, improved barrier and armor penetration, and a longer effective range.